a mess. Oh, children, you won't believe it. Yeah, yesterday we had a Halloween party and it got a bit out of hand. Everything is super dirty. In fact, I think it's the dirtiest time. Everything is. If my parents see it, they're going to get upset. Oh no. Let's see, what can I do? Oh, they will be here in just a minute, so I need to be fast. Okay, I'm going to use my powers to clean everything up, okay? And make it as clean as possible. Remember, I have powers, okay? I will surely get it. Let's do it. All right, where can I start by? Okay. Yeah, that part, the wardrobes. Come on, chess. I clean up all this mess. Cleaner. It's working. Great, okay. Cleaner. All right, that area looks good. Okay, what else? Let me just go for that space there, okay? Yes. All those curtains, come on. Let's do it. Say the words with me. Cheese, chess. I clean up all this mess. Cleaner. Okay. Oh yes, super clean. Oh wow, it was a bit difficult this time. Okay, what else? Yes, all this part here. Oof, yeah, this looks horrible. Okay, so say with me. Oh yes, say with me the words. Cheese, chess. I clean up all this mess. Come on, let's say cleaner. Ah yeah! Oh, someone's knocking. My parents are here. But everything looks great. Thank you guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, let's keep learning with the adjectives comparatives, and today we go straight forward into doing this third activity. So here we have this spot with different words inside: better, darker, best, older, longest, more beautiful, fuller, and biggest. And we need to complete the sentences by using them. So let's go. My costume is starts with the, so it needs to be darker. It's darker for sure. It's darker than yours. Great. Her hat is, okay, we have it, more beautiful, because we have two spaces and the B. Beautiful. More beautiful. Great. Than his. They don't have the best spot. That's for sure. It's, or the better. I think it's the best because we are not comparing with anything else. So let's go for best. This is the fuller candy spot. The only one with an F. Fuller. Great. Then the witch has got the older broom. Older broom. The cat is than this one. More. Okay, the cat is more what? But we missed a word here, right? So we need to complete it. Is more intelligent. Okay, it's more intelligent. Halloween is the best time, or yes, the only one we have with B is better. So let's write it's the better time. Actually, it makes more sense to say best. It's the best time, okay? And I like witches more than wizards. More than wizards. So it's true that these two words are not in here. What a tricky exercise, right? Remember, guys, to compare, we always need to put ER at the end of the adjective or more for words than more than 3 syllables. Okay, 3 syllables. This is it. Goodbye.